Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Capizzi, and I am trying something new today. It's called Screencastify, and what it allows me to do is share my screen with you in video format. So I chose to do this because I want to be able to share the visual learning and another look videos with you. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So I am going to play the visual learning video that the students are used to watching in class.
How can you use a repeating pattern to predict a shape? Think about this question during the lesson. Rashad is making a repeating pattern for the rule triangle, square, trapezoid. What will be the 49th shape in the pattern? A repeating pattern is made up of shapes or numbers that form a part that repeats. How many shapes are in this pattern before it repeats? 3 shapes are in the pattern before it repeats. Look for features of the repeating pattern. The trapezoid is the 3rd, 6th, and 9th shape in the pattern. The positions of the trapezoids are multiples of 3. The triangle is the 1st, 4th, and 7th shape in the pattern. The positions of the triangles are one more than a multiple of 3. The square is the 2nd, 5th, and 8th shape in the pattern. The positions of the squares are one less than a multiple of 3. The triangle is in position number 1, 4, and 7. What position will the next triangle after 7 be in? The next triangle will be in the 10th position. What is the remainder when you divide 4, 7, and 10 by 3? Select your answer.
Okay, so when we divide 49 by 3, we're going to get a remainder of 1.
The remainder is 1. Now, use the repeating pattern to solve the problem. Divide 49 by 3. You divide by 3 because there are 3 items in the repeating pattern. 49 divided by 3 equals 16, remainder 1. The pattern repeats 16 times. The first shape in the repeating pattern, a triangle, then appears. 49 is one more than a multiple of 3. So the 49th shape is a triangle. Is 1 the remainder when you divide any number that is one more than a multiple of 3 by 3? Yes, 1 is the remainder. Now you know how to use a repeating pattern to predict a shape.
Great job!
All right, now I'm also going to show the another look video. Here we go.
Welcome back! This time we're going to talk about repeating patterns. A repeating pattern can be made up of shapes or numbers. It forms a part that repeats. Let's look at an example. Al is using a rule to make the second shape in Al's pattern. Al's rule is circle, triangle, star, diamond, rectangle. There are 5 shapes in his repeating pattern. Every 5th shape is the same because there are 5 repeating shapes in the pattern. If we divide 42 by 5, we get 8 remainder 2. The pattern repeats 8 times. 2 more shapes appear. The second shape in the repeating pattern is a triangle. The triangle is the 42nd shape in the repeating pattern. The rule helps you identify the locations of the shapes in a repeating pattern.
Okay, so I'm going to stop that there, and I hope that was helpful for everyone. Have a wonderful day.